Today we're gonna do one on a 18 by 18. So it's a square. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing. My niece is with me, Eva. You can't see us. All right, we're just gonna play. All right, here we go. That's a lot. Items of like 3D print them on clothes, so then it like, you know, that'd be super cool, I think.
You just got it on your skin now.
I know, it's gonna get all. I do this.
The gold of paint.
All right, and these are the colors I'm working with. Let's go here. A little bit of grenage coming out that side.
How do you make the painting TikToks?
I do like a video of me showing off the painting of it once it's already done.
Like show off?
Yeah, like I just show the painting. It's like more of the show off fun stuff. My silly TikToks. All right, swipe time. And what I use to swipe with for my cell activator is I use Amsterdam paint. For this one I've used turquoise green Amsterdam paint, oxide black Amsterdam paint, of course mixed with Australian Floetrol. Oh yeah, I also used titanium white from Amsterdam paint mixed with the Australian Floetrol as a cell activator. Just a little bit though.
All around.
Okay, let's see.
Now blue time. Spread all the blue around.
There we go. Let's see.
It looks like Oreos a little bit because Oreos. How do you do this? When they had to teach me how to Michael's.
Yes, we did one time. I've been to Michael's a bunch of times. Okay.
Did you get these canvases at Michael's?
No, I had to order them specially.
From Amazon? But, oh my god, it's shining my light.
I know.
Ow, why is it that bright?
All right, now it's time to spin and tilt. The messiest time. Okay. Now it's the spin time.
You're protecting me from the paint?
Trying to protect everything from the paint.
Yeah, it didn't get on my clothes. That's good.
Good.
It's good that it didn't get on my clothes.
This looks actually really pretty.
It does. You should.
I used so much paint though. I probably should not have used so
Maybe you
much
should
paint.
have got all spinny.
Here we go. Here it comes. Here it comes.
Oh my gosh, you had to protect everything.
Yes,
Even your niece.
Yes, sir. Okay, here we go. Okay, and now for the reveal, and I'm going to read my lyrical poem I like to do with these guys while I do a close-up on the piece. All right, here we go. We are all composed of a multitude of infinite and complex layers, but the notion of the me is one hell of a betrayer. Unsure if what you feel is fear as you watch your self-identity disappear. Don't be fooled by the notion of the me, because identity is never just one thing. The soul, the mind, the body, all fantastically intertwined. When one is lost, the others pay the cost. So when your mind is being unkind, remember there is more than meets the eye. Just as you exist, so do the individuals living within your body exist. The body holds the universe that only exists if you persist. Your mind connects the body to the soul, and your mind is the God of the body you behold. We are all just a vessel within a vessel, housing other vessels within vessels. So when you have gone off the rails, feeling confused yet awoken, invigorated and alive yet utterly broken, when you're absent of the identity you have now unhinged, remember, identity is never just one thing, and it's okay to let yourself binge. Binge on all the notions of the me, the you, and the we. With no guarantee you will ever clearly see, but at least you won't be infringed when you find yourself with an identity unhinged.